Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you go dey watch this video from. So my people, today I wan show una the secret to get better Nigerian stew. The taste, like to get that unique Nigerian stew. Today I wan show una. So for this video I go show una how I take dey things wey I dey use for my Nigerian stew. So guys, follow me. Inside this basin I get my bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper, then tatashi pepper, then tomato, ginger, garlic, everything. So today I go show una how you go fit take this one. I no go boil am o. I go first parboil dem like this. I wan just comot the whole seed. In fact una go see am. So make we do this thing together. You understand? So first of all I go pour it for here. Yellow pepper, yellow fresh pepper. So now the next step is this. Next step na to start some onions, garlic and ginger. So here is my ginger, garlic, red and white onions. I saw I see my eye because of the onions. Ooh. When I see my eye, the onions. The onions just beat me. Oh. So guys, I just slice the onions and ginger finish. The garlic there, yeah. And the garlic with this, onions, and then the ginger. Ginger with this. So now I will put my pepper. Just cut am like this. Put am inside because once you don enter heat, everything go melt. Tomatoes, just like so. Just put up. Put am like this. Put. No need stress. Too much stress. So I don't pour the onions, the garlic, and the ginger. I don't pour am inside. I will see give am small time make e still boil. I will come back again, come turn am together. So guys, if you dey steam your tomato and bell pepper, abeg no put water o. Let the tomato water steam the tomato and the bell pepper. No put any extra water, because if you put water you don just spoil everything. I no talk am for the video, as I dey record am I no talk am, na im make I say make I do voice note over the this clip, so that make I tell una say una no put water. Only this water na im go done this tomato. So the tomatoes don ready now. So you need to carry am, let am cool small, come blend am. So the tomato don cool down, and now I need to blend am. I don already put am for my blender. So after blending it, now we'll see the outcome. Na im be this. Now see the way e be now. No need for you to steam your tomato again. This one na another trick to take steam tomato. No need for you to even fry am too much, just cause e don already cook like this, everything don dey okay. So abeg, if you know say you dey watch video to this point and you never like this video, abeg like the video. See, I don even dey put my tomato throway. Like the video and try to drop a comment on what you think about the video. Thank you all so much for watching to this point. I really appreciate every one of you. Abeg, if you know say you never follow this page, abeg support me by following this page. And as you follow me, God Almighty bless you. So see my tomato now, see as e dey enter eye. Don't you like what you see? Abeg, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, make Facebook help me share this video. Abeg, the secret way to get that as in that sweet taste of Nigeria stew, na im be this one. So guys, I'll leave you guys here. Bye bye.